Namaste, I am Chandana.
I am Bhavya. We are studying in grade 8 in Sri Sharda International Cambridge School, Huldore, Sira Taluk.
We are presenting the database project. In the context of this initiative, the term Data Club activities encapsulates a spectrum of functionalities, from recording member information to cataloging diverse events. The project aims to create a cohesive ecosystem where data serves as the cornerstone for informed decision making. By implementing an intuitive database structure, the project endeavors to not only store information but also to extract meaningful insights that can shape the future trajectory of club initiatives. Through the lens of Database for Club project seeks to provide information through user experience, improving accessibility to information, and fostering a data driven culture within the club. It optimizes and streamlines various effectiveness and leveraging information to enhance efficiency and effectiveness. The database for club project focused on data club activities embodies this ethos by delving into the heart of club operations, aiming to optimize and streamline various facets through the power of organized data. This project revolves around the comprehensive management of club activities using a robust database system, whether it's tracking membership details, monitoring event participation, or analyzing trends in club engagement. The database for club project seeks to provide a centralized and dynamic platform for efficient data handling. Through the lens of database for club, the focus is on enhancing user experience, improving accessibility to information, and fostering a data-driven culture within the club. The project stands as a testament to the informative power of data when applied to the realm of club activities, promising a more organized, responsive, and data savvy environment for all stakeholders involved. As we data sheet view, design view. In the design view of the table, you can enter the field name, the data types, and description. You can also set field properties. The design view window is divided into two parts. Field grid pane. It is used for entering field names and their data types. You can also give an optional description about each in this pane. Field properties pane. It is used to set properties for the fields in the table. Data sheet view. We use the data sheet view to enter in the table. When we double click the table name in the database window, the table opens in the data sheet view. Switching between views. You can quickly switch from one view to another by following either of the two options. Click on the view option in the view group on the home tab to change the desired view. Click on the design view or data sheet view buttons at the bottom right corner of the status bar. Basic rules to form a field name in Access. It can contain a maximum of 64 characters. Spaces are allowed. It can contain alphabets and numbers. It can contain special character except full stop, exclamatory mark, brackets. Data types. A data types declares the type of data a particular field can be used for. Once the data type for a field is specified, another type of data cannot be entered for that particular field. Calculated lookup wizard.
Table. A table is a fundamental component in a relational database. It consists of rows and columns where each row represents a record and each column represents a field or attribute. Tables are used to store and organize the data in a structured manner. You can see in this project, tables are given here: student name, student club, volleyball, throwball, chess, essay writing, and the phone numbers. For the student name, we use the data type called short text, and for the student club, we use the data type called short text. We can use the data types for the particular fields. You can see the table in the given display on the screen. It is in a structured manner in the rows, in the columns. It is very useful to uh, see and understand the concept of this easily. Next, it is queries. A query is a request for information from the database. Queries allow user to retrieve, filter and manipulate data based on the specified criteria. They can be used to extract specific information from one or more tables. For example, now we should create a query. To run a query, first we should uh, click on the create tab. After that, we should click on the query wizard, which is present in the ribbon, and we should click simple query wizard and click on OK. We should select the name of the table, that is student club details. After that, we should select the required fields. We need every fields now. So we should click on the double arrow marks and we should click on the next button. Next, modify the query design. Finish. After that, we should know about Chandana. Like we should know some details about Chandana. Which game did she participate? Did she won or lost? So we should type her name in the student name field. After that, we should click on run button. So we can know the detail about Chandana in this way. By creating queries, we can know the information of a single person clearly. Next, it is forms. Form is a user interface object that provides an interactive way to input and view data in a database. Forms are used to simplify data entry and enhance user experience by presenting data in a more user friendly manner than raw tables. Forms can be customized to include specific fields, controls, and layouts tailored to the user needs. User can enter, edit, and view the data through forms. Now, we should create a form. So, first we should click on the query which we created now, the information about Chandana. After that, we should click on the create tab and we should select the form in the ribbons which is present in the ribbon. We can we can see the form of the Chandana. So, this is a way to create the form. After that, we should save that form Chandana. Okay. Next is report. A report is a formatted presentation of data from one or more tables or requires. Reports are used for representing the data in a printable and organized format. They can include headers, footers, and other designs elements to enhance the visual representation of information. For example, you can see here. First, to create a reports, first we should click on the form Chandana or form. After that, we should click on the create tab. We should select the report in the ribbons. Now we can see the report of Chandana displayed on the screen. This is the way to create the report. This is very useful if we should send the information of in a specific person or a single person. We can create the report and we can send to the management who requires a specific person information. This is a way to create the report. We are created You can see the ER diagram displayed on the screen. This is ER diagram means it is similar to the flow diagram. ER diagram means entity relationship diagram. In this diagram, student is the main entity with attributes like id. It is a primary key. Primary key means it's a unique value, the a key which has a unique value. For example, the Aadhaar card number. This is for examples of a primary key. Student name and phone number. Club represents the different clubs with the club name as the primary key. Game is an